Hello sports fans, I'm Harry and I'd like to welcome you to Harry's Stuff and Such. And today I'm going to be unboxing a Teeter EP-960 inversion table that I just received in the mail. So stick around, watch the unboxing and assembly. Well, welcome back. Like I said in the intro, I've got a Teeter EP-960 inversion table that I just received. I'm going to be unboxing and assembling it, and then I'll give it a quick review and try it out. So let's get started. Okay, so here's the box. As you can see, I may not have to do a lot of unboxing thanks to the delivery service, because as you can see, it's kind of almost open as it is. The strap's pretty much broken. The box is in not the best shape. So anyways, that's the way it was delivered. Okay, so as you can see, it was fairly easy to get this assembled, and I'm going to try it out, see how it works. So this you push, this is lock your ankles. You push on it to open it, put your ankles in, then push and close and make sure your ankles are good and secure, which they are. And then you're ready to go. So just kind of sort of lean back. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it feels good on my back. All right. Feels like it's relieving some of the pressure that I've had. I could sit here a while. Actually feels really good. Let's see if I can go a little further. Oh yeah, man. Oh gosh, that really decompresses my back. All right. Okay. Well, okay, so there we have it. The unboxing and assembling of the EP-960 inversion table from Teeter that I got a couple of days ago. Now, as you saw in the unboxing, the box was in pretty rough shape when it got here, but the EP-960 is pretty rugged. It's survived the rough handling of the box. I probably would have preferred it if it had been packed a little better than it was. I give the packaging maybe a 2 out of 5. Although the frame and everything survived in good shape, it's nice and it's sturdy, so I give that a 4.5 or 5 out of being so sturdy. Anyways, and you saw me use it for the first time as well, and it did feel pretty good on my back. It really helped decompress. I have a compressed vertebrae in my back as a result of a motorcycle accident, so I'm pretty much in constant back pain, and that really did help. I look forward to using this on a while here. Maybe I'll try it for about 10-15 minutes a day and see how well that helps my back. So I guess that's about, oh yeah, so we did get a few, you know, as I said in the unboxing, you get a Getting Started DVD. I haven't looked at it yet, but it's got the assembling and user settings and how to invert and maintenance and so forth. Also, there's a safety instruction booklet that they want you to keep with the frame. It's laminated. It has a nice little chain here so you can keep it attached to the frame if you so desire, but it pretty much has, you know, all your warnings, how to go through and secure your ankles, how to test your balance and rotation, and inverting for the first time, getting unmounting, and so forth. Also, with the 960 came these acupuncture point knobs that you can put on the bed, which I haven't used yet. Also, it came with the lumbar support, which I did use during that test, and that felt really good. It helped a lot. I especially need it when I lie flat because of the compression fraction in my back doesn't allow. I need a lot of support under my lumbar when I'm laying flat. Anyways, if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, give me a thumbs down. That's okay. Also, leave a comment or two if there are any other things you'd like for me to discuss or maybe even show on the EP-960, or if there are any other suggestions that you'd pass along. Also, how about pressing that subscribe button? Come on, you know you want to. So, this is Harry, and from Harry's Stuff and Such, I thank you for watching, and you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you on the backside.